Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know already by the title underneath this video, today I'm going to show you 8 protective style hacks to help you while you wear your protective styles. So the first one is, when you get a new protective style, braids or twists, you know your roots are always tight and they hurt. So a good tip is to spray water on them to loosen up your roots. I know mine is not new, but I'm just showing you how to do it. So of course, be gentle with your braids or your twists because it's going to hurt when they're brand new, but water definitely helps. Do you have a case of itchy scalp and crazy dandruff? No need to worry. Hack 2 is dry gel shampoo. So D.I.Y came out with some dry gel shampoo, and let's just say this thing is amazing. It has witch hazel in it, aloe vera, and witch hazel is a great natural remedy for dandruff and it soothes itchy scalp. So hack 3 is low maintenance co-washing. So by this I mean, instead of getting in the shower and washing your hair, just put some conditioner or your favorite choice of co-wash on your toothbrush and scrub on your scalp. And I have to give a shout out to my older sister for giving me this idea because it is a lifesaver. Hack 4 is, if you don't have a satin pillowcase or satin scarf, no need to worry. Just use a t-shirt. And I suggest using a t-shirt that has like polyester in it and not just cotton, because then it gives you more of that slip. So all you have to do is put your hair in your head in the t-shirt, and then just flip it over and there you have a scarf. Like, no need to spend extra money on some $15 satin pillowcase or scarf. Hack 5 is a D.I.Y hairspray. No more oils. Oils definitely cause your scalp to cause dandruff on your scalp. So what you need is a D.I.Y hair spray. So this hairspray has aloe vera gel in it, because aloe vera gel helps with dandruff, promotes growth, and prevents itchy scalp. It also has the curl refresher spray. Yeah, that's what it is. Curl refresher spray, and has glycerin in it mainly, so that helps pull moisture from the air to keep your hair moisturized, which is amazing. And then I also put peppermint oil in it because peppermint oil, if you don't know, stimulates hair growth by increasing blood circulation around the scalp. Amazing. The 6th hack is to do scalp massages. Do scalp massages like every night. I do scalp massages for 2 to 3 minutes every night, 5 if I'm really feeling good and lazy. Yeah, I mean, I guess it explains itself, but if you don't know, that also helps circulate blood flow to the scalp. So it's really amazing. And then if you don't have a scalp massager like I just showed you, use your hands. Girl, be cheap, use your hands. You don't have to buy one. So hack number 7 is, I know we all experience this when our ends come out of our hair and it's like, girl, I need some love, I'm dry. So just spray some water on those ends, and I always use D.I.Y curly curl cream because I know it helps my hair curl up and just doesn't fluff. So I just twirl that around that little piece of hair that's coming out for dear life, and I just stick it right back into that twist and send it on its way. Alright, so the last and final hack, hack 8, is to lay your edges more efficiently. That will help them. So what I always do is I first put on a leave-on conditioner or any type of conditioner on my edges first, because that helps protect them and strengthen them. Like, who doesn't want that while your edges still look good? So I'm just going ahead and laying them with this Shea Moisture Restorative Conditioner. It's a leave-in conditioner or a rinse-out conditioner, so best of both worlds. So I do that, and then I put on my actual conditioner, my actual edge control, and then look at those babies. Nice, healthy looking, and thriving. They living their best life. And so that is it, guys. Those are the hacks. Simple, easy. I hope so. I hope you use them. Yeah. So give us a big thumbs up if you like this video. Be sure to subscribe, because I just have one more question for y'all. But are you a subscriber though?